Hey there. If you're looking to start a car detailing business and you want to protect your personal assets while also gaining some tax advantages, then forming an LLC is definitely the way to go. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up an LLC for your car detailing business step by step, and I'll even show you how to do it in under 5 minutes using a service that I personally recommend. So on the left side of the screen, you can see the 5 main steps that we'll be covering today when it comes to forming an LLC specifically for your car detailing business. So we'll go through each of these in detail so that you'll know exactly what to do. Let's get started. Step 1 is choosing a name for your LLC. There are some specific rules when it comes to naming your car detailing LLC. You must include limited liability company, limited company, LLC, or LC at the end of your business name. I recommend something that clearly indicates what your business does, like Pristine Auto Detailing LLC or Expert Shine Car Care LLC. The name you choose cannot already be used by another business in your state, and it also cannot cause any confusion with a government agency. You can also do a free name search using your state's business entity database to check if your desired name is available. I'll include a link to that in the description below. Just remember that your business name is what customers will know you by, so just try to make it memorable and reflective of the quality service that you plan to provide. Step 2 is finding a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or a business that will receive important legal documents on behalf of your LLC. This includes things like tax forms, legal notices, and in the unfortunate event that your business gets sued, service of process documents. Your registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed and must be available during normal business hours to receive documents. Now, you can be your own registered agent, but I don't recommend it because your address will become public record and you'll need to be present at the address during normal business hours. This can be difficult when you're out, detailing cars at various locations. Plus, if you move locations, you'll need to update your information with the state. Step 3 is filing your LLC formation documents. These are typically called Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation, depending on the state that you're in. This document officially creates your LLC with the state. You'll need to include information like your LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, and the purpose of your LLC, which in this case would be car detailing services, plus the date of filing and your management structure. The filing fee varies by state, but typically ranges from $100 to $500. This is a mandatory fee that you'll have to pay regardless of how you choose to form your LLC. You can also file these documents online through your state's Secretary of State website, by mail, or by using a formation service, which I will talk about in a minute. Step 4 is getting an EIN for your LLC. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is like a social security number for your business. The IRS uses this to identify your business for tax purposes. You'll need an EIN to open up a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees if you decide to expand your detailing business beyond just yourself. Getting an EIN is free and can be done through the IRS website in just a few minutes. Step 5 is creating an LLC operating agreement. While not required in all states, having an operating agreement is highly recommended, especially if you have partners in your detailing business. This document outlines how your business will be run, including ownership percentages, member responsibilities, profit distribution, and what happens if a member wants to leave the business. Even if you're the sole owner, an operating agreement can help establish your LLC as a separate entity from yourself, which is important for maintaining liability protection. Now, after forming your LLC, there are a few additional things that you'll need to do for your car detailing business specifically. First, you'll want to get your business insurance. For a car detailing business, this should include general liability insurance to cover accidents or damage that might occur while working on a client's vehicle. You might also want to consider commercial auto insurance if you're going to be driving to clients' locations. You'll also need to open up a business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate, and this is very crucial for maintaining the liability protection of your LLC. If you do mix personal and business funds, courts can pierce the corporate veil and hold you personally liable for business debts or lawsuits. Additionally, you'll need to check if your state or local government requires any specific licenses or permits for your car detailing business. This varies by location, but might include things like general business license, environmental permits for water runoff, or zoning permits if you're operating out of a fixed location. Now, if all this sounds complicated or time-consuming, there is a much easier way to form your LLC. I personally recommend using Northwest Registered Agent. They make the entire process simple and handle all the paperwork for you so that you can focus on building your car detailing business instead of getting lost in a bunch of legal forms. Let me actually walk you through how easy it is to use Northwest. So first, click on the exclusive discount link included in the description below. Once you're on the website, click the button to get started. You'll be asked what type of business you're starting and in what state. Select LLC and choose the state that you want to form your LLC in. Next, you'll name your company. This is where you'll enter that car detailing business name that you came up with earlier. Then you'll specify the purpose of your business, which is car detailing services, and provide your business address. After that, you'll enter the members of the LLC, which might just be you if you're starting solo, along with your contact information. Northwest will then offer some additional services you might need, like getting an EIN or setting up a trademark for your business name or logo. These are optional but can save you a ton of time. Now finally, submit your payment and Northwest will handle everything else for you, including filing all the necessary paperwork with your state. The whole process takes just 3 to 5 minutes to complete, and that is exactly why I recommend Northwest to literally everybody I know, because it makes starting your LLC super easy. Plus, they include a year of registered agent service with every formation package, which is a super great value. I've used them personally for multiple businesses and they've always provided exceptional service. One more thing to consider for your car detailing business is setting up a professional website. This will help customers find you online and book your services. You might also want to set up social media accounts to showcase your work with before and after photos of the vehicles that you've detailed. So to recap, forming an LLC for your detailing business involves choosing a name, finding a registered agent, filing formation documents, getting an EIN, and creating an operating agreement. You'll also need business insurance, a separate bank account, and possibly specific licenses or permits. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on starting and growing your business. Drop any questions that you have in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. All the resources mentioned in this video are also linked in the description, by the way. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.